I was on a trip in Ghana. I was driving along a dirt road, and all of a sudden my driver came to a stop. I asked him what was going on, and he said, I have to stop because there's a puddle of water in the road. I said, well, just drive through it. But he said, I can't because there's 2 kids in the water. Sure enough, they were on their daily walk to collect water, which was taking them an hour or 2 a day. I spoke to the chief in the village, and sure enough found out that a well-meaning NGO a few years earlier had in fact installed a hand pump, which, lo and behold, had broken down. It really hit my heartstrings, and I thought, as a CSR project for my business, this is a cause I'd really like to get behind. For me, building Project Maji as a sustainable enterprise was going to be really critical. So it meant we had to put a business model around this to ensure a maintenance team could fix these if anything went wrong with them. Our solution was a solar-powered pump to replace the existing technology of the hand pump that had been used across the continent for maybe 100 or 200 years. About 6 months later, we went back to that same village and opened the tap on our first Project Maji kiosk. When I first started this project, I thought water was all going to be about hygiene and sanitation. We found that once we gave local sustainable access in the village, the women had freed that time and they could work, or just be full-time mums. And the kids had time to go to school or just play. I hope by my example, I can inspire others to do similar things, to look at some of the world's global problems and see if they can find a business mindset to solve them.